Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful, brand new, and incredibly high-tech Wonder of the Seas. This ship truly has something for everyone. It's an incredible ship, and this particular category is a grand suite. It's the entry into the full suite class, which means you'll get to take advantage of that brand new suite neighborhood concept, including coastal kitchen, the suite lounge, and the suite Sundeck. We're going to take you through all the space here and talk about the amenities in just a second, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, in a grand suite, you're going to get all of those suite level amenities. It's Sky Class, which means every person in the room is going to get a complimentary Voom login, fastest internet at sea. You're also going to get access to the concierge who can make reservations, basically take care of all the details for you to really improve the overall cruise experience. And then you're also, as I mentioned, going to have Coastal Kitchen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a highly upgraded suite-only amenity, and you're going to absolutely love the food there. In addition, you can access the suite lounge anytime you'd like, and the private suite-only Sundeck. We do have all of those spaces in our full ship tour if you'd like to check that out, in addition to the other suites that you can upgrade to just in case you're considering. Now, this particular grand suite is a little bit different than all the rest. The Wonder of the Seas is totally different than the other Oasis class ships to begin with. These grand suites are up in the crown, which means you're just a few steps away from Coastal Kitchen and the suite lounge, and just a quick staircase up to the suite Sundeck. But this one is at the very front of the crown. So we're going to take you outside. That's a little bit unique, but I just wanted to show you it has a very large entryway, somewhat similar to the owners and grand panoramic suites on the Oasis of the Seas. So you've got a nice large entryway here that technically you could use this area as storage if you need. You've got your first bit of storage right here on the side, and then over to my right you're going to see there's a ton of storage in this suite. So right here you're going to have some hanging storage. See those extra comfy Royal Caribbean bathrobes that come with being in a suite. You got a nice size safe. It's perfect size for a tablet, a small laptop, personal belongings. They even have a plug inside there so you can plug in your device and lock it up. Now as we continue along right here, you're going to have even more hanging storage and shelves underneath and up above, and a little bit more storage even over here on the side. You see the hanging storage there. And I did want to point out that you have your own Wi-Fi hotspot in all of these rooms, and that's because this is a smart room. Speaking of that, I wanted to show you something here before we head into the bathroom. You've got your control panel here, so you can control the blinds, you can control the lighting, the air conditioning, and what's really cool is if you download the Royal Caribbean app, which I highly recommend you do before you arrive on the ship, you can use it to check in, and once you get on board the ship, you can use it to control all of those features in your suite, and you can even use it to unlock your door. I love that because I never seem to leave my phone in the room, but I always seem to leave my key somewhere. Let's head in and check out the bathroom now. As I step in here, you can see it's a really nice large space. You've got a large double vanity there, beautiful backsplash. There's storage behind the mirrors here on either side, a ton of storage underneath here as well. Toilets tucked just back to the corner, and then you're gonna have a nice large shower tub combo. Now it's always great to have a nice bubble bath or a soak, but if you're traveling with kids like I do often with my daughter, having that bathtub is such an incredible added bonus feature. I also love that you have a glass shower door here. That's a major upgrade from the shower curtains, and what's nice is because of where we are in the ship, I actually even fit in there. Next up is your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. Being that it's a nice modern ship, you have a beautiful backlit mirror here, 4 USB chargers, a Euro charger, and 2 US plugs. I love that you can have a full charging station there. You're gonna see your Lavazza coffee maker. I love that because I start my day every day at home with an Italian coffee, and I can do that here on board the Wonder of the Seas as well. They'll replenish that as you like throughout your time on board. You've got a bit of storage on either side here, and you also will have the hairdryer just inside. Over to my left, you're gonna find the bed. Now it's together in what they call the Royal King configuration. I've gotta say some of my best night's sleep on Royal Caribbean have been on this ship. The beds are extra comfy. They also have the pillows, and you can even choose from a pillow menu because you're in a full suite. You've got storage on either side with the nightstands. I like that you can tuck things away completely. And on this side of the bed, you're gonna have 2 US plugs and 2 USBs. The other side, you're gonna have 2 USBs as well. Now this bed can be split apart into twins if you prefer. In that case, the nightstands would move to the middle. Either way, you have a ton of storage underneath the bed. Up above, you're gonna have your flat panel TV. It actually will drop down from the ceiling. You've got a little remote. This is just the first of the large flat panel TVs, and it shows one of the reasons why it's so great for families or even friends traveling together. Now, as we head further into the suite, I just wanted to point out that these curtains do pull shut, so it creates that one bedroom, and it actually does have a lot of privacy, quite a bit. I was really impressed with how much that will block out. Now in the living room area, you've got a nice large sofa. This does fold out and would become the bedding for additional passengers. You're also gonna have 2 nice large reading chairs there and a coffee table right in the middle. Directly across, you're gonna find another large flat panel TV. Once again, fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship. You can order room service. You can watch videos on demand, or of course you can watch television. You have another writing desk here, storage on the far side, and then over here you're gonna find your mini fridge that'll come stocked upon your arrival. Now as we head out onto the balcony, I did want to point out they have a child lock right here for safety. I utilize that. My daughter's 6 right now, and it makes a huge difference for my peace of mind. You've got a nice large dining room table out here, seating for 4. You can order from the main dining room menu from breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you'd like. Also an expanded room service menu that you can order throughout the day, or you can head on up and really enjoy Coastal Kitchen. You've got a lounger in the corner. You've got one over here as well, and a nice cocktail table. You can imagine it's the perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or a glass of wine in the evening. Now what sets this particular secret grand suite apart is that you're at the very front, so you're gonna have these peekaboo windows that look down to the pool deck. It blocks out the noise, which is great, and it also lets a little bit of light in that way. But what I really like is you get quite a bit of shade. Personally, that's what we're looking for on our balcony. You can always head up to the Sundeck if you want to take advantage of that. But there's plenty of space for my whole family out here. Of course, you're gonna have those incredible ocean views, and what I love about a balcony and a suite like this is you can wake up in the morning, you can have that breath of fresh air, that ocean air out there, take in the incredible views, whether you're in Europe, you're in the Caribbean, wherever this amazing ship sails. Now, when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.